Guys, if you're dropshipping, remember to test your own products. You want to check the quality, you want to see the delivery time, how the product is labeled, how the product is packed. Does it have shipped from China label on the packaging, although you inform your customers that you are based in the US? So obviously you want to know that. And you want to check the quality of the item, because by the end of the day you don't want to invest in a sleek website design, in paid traffic, just to find that the quality of the product is really low. It will result might result in negative feedback, really, and it will result in people not buying again from you, which will be really costly to run a business. By the end of the day, you want to focus on repeat business. It's much cheaper to sell to your previous customers than to keep finding new customers all the time, all the time, all the time. So you keep paying for traffic, you keep paying for ads. So customer service really should be focused, product quality should be focused. So make sure to order your own products from AliExpress. And also another plus is that you can take your own photos, which will put you in advantage over competitors who are still using the same stock photos, the same supplier photos, which are bad for SEO, which are bad for sales, because Google loves unique photos. Unique images have this kind of geotag information, so Google see where they were taken, who took them, so it gives you more authentic feel, and you will avoid having duplicate content, which is duplicate images on the website, which obviously affects your SEO negatively. So make sure to order the products from AliExpress, test the quality, test the shipping time, test the packaging, take your own photos, and focus on customer service and customer experience. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome tips.